Hello everyone, welcome back. This video lecture for class 7, chapter number 6, subject science, and chapter name is physical and chemical change. So dear students, in previous video lecture we have already talked about physical changes and what are the chemical changes, right? What are their properties and where they generally used in our day-to-day life, isn't it? So today we will talk about further topic, the next topic of this chapter, that is rusting, galvanization, crystallization, what is stainless steel, how to prevent the rusting process, isn't it? So very first we will talk about rusting, that is the very much important of this topic of this chapter, and generally 4 marks question asked in exam of the related with rusting and galvanization. Okay, so what is the rusting? See, generally what we are observed in rainy season, or in if we are keeping in any iron material, any iron object in open in the air, so after a period, what we will observe that the particular object will turn brownish color, right? So in definition form we can say, if a piece of iron left in open for some time, it acquires a film of brownish substance, right? As you are able to see, here is the object is given, that is made of iron, right? So what is happening, iron को open में रखा गया है. Open में that means that particular object is also getting, not only getting only water, but it also getting air, that means moisture. Okay, so this substance is called rust. That brownish layer, as you are able to see here, one coating is seen, right, on the iron. That coating is nothing, only it's rusting. So what rust? Okay, and what is the process by which any substance will turn in the brownish color? That process is called rusting. During the rusting of iron, iron metal combines with the oxygen, right? What are the requires for rusting process? Oxygen and presence of water is must. These two compounds make the iron, it turn into iron oxide, and this iron oxide nothing, it's only rust. Okay, so I hope you all understood what is the rust. Again repeating, what during the rusting period के during, what is happening, that particular iron substance will turn into brownish or reddish maroonish color, its color will change, and the shining, that what particular iron object was getting previously shining, the shine will be dull. And when it happens, for this rusting process, oxygen, that means air, and water, that means moisture, both the substance, both the compound are necessary to process of rusting. So how to प्रोटेक्ट, हाउ टू प्रिवेंट रस्टिंग? रस्टिंग से हटाना तो पड़ेगा, है ना? कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट में रस्ट लग जाता है, दैट मीन्स दैट पर्टिकुलर शाइन विल लॉस्ट, है ना? वो पर्टिकुलर आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट की शाइन डल हो जाती है. तो हाउ टू प्रिवेंट द रस्टिंग? सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Again the next topic, that is galvanization. So what is the galvanization? The process of depositing, that means the process of layer. ठीक है, किसका लेयर है? लेयर ऑफ जिंक ऑन आयरन, लेयर ऑफ जिंक ऑन आयरन, that is called, that is known as galvanization. Okay, what is galvanization? Galvanization process is used to prevent rusting. Okay, and by this process, what is generally we are doing? By this process, a coating, a layer of zinc on iron is known as galvanization. Second method to prevent the rusting, that we are able to see here, apply a coat of paint or grease over iron article. जो भी iron article है, अगर एक बार उसमें rust हो लग गया है, तो उसको rust को हटाने के लिए, rust को बचाने के लिए, what we have to do? We have to paint or grease on that particular object. Next, deposit a layer of chromium metal on iron. और आयरन को रस्ट से बचाने के लिए हमें उसके ऊपर क्रोमियम मेटल का अगर लेयर भी डिपॉजिट कर लेते हैं, तो भी वो पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट रस्टिंग से बच सकता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द रस्टिंग? इफ़ वी से इज केमिकली फॉर्म, The process of rusting can be represented by the following equation, like see, rusting of iron, what is that? So if I write iron, that means iron is nothing, it is Fe, right? What is the form in the formula form? Equation form, we are writing iron as Fe. If iron is connect with O2, right? With O2, that means oxygen, that means oxygen we are getting from the atmosphere, from air. Then another thing, another compound which is required, that is nothing, that is only H2O. Fine, H2O, that means moisture. Okay, so iron, oxygen and hydrogen, to the combining of these all chemicals, we are getting iron oxide. Iron oxide, that means Fe2O3. Okay, the Fe2O3, that is the formula formation form of the rusting. Okay, that is nothing, is it's only iron oxide. So if you will ask in the exams that what is the formula of the iron rusting, you can say that is Fe2O3, Fe plus O2 plus H2O. By combining all these chemicals, we will get the equation, that is Fe2O3, that means iron. Okay, till here clear? Clear? Fine. Next topic. Next topic, we have to explain that we already talked about, what is how to prevent the rusting. Next is the galvanization. So what is the galvanization? Galvanization, the process of, sorry, galvanization we already completed. Next is the crystallization. Next topic, that is very much again important, that is the crystallization. In crystallization process is generally we are performing when we are getting large type of crystals, ठीक है, large crystals and pure substance when we are obtaining, when we are needed at that process. In that process we are completing crystallization process. Large crystals of pure substance can be formed from their solution, especially from their concentrated solution. The process of formation of crystals is called crystallization, right? जिस process में we are getting large size of crystals and pure substance, that process, और उसके लिए जो हमें process complete करनी पड़ती है, that process is called crystallization. Generally this process we are completing when we are getting salt from the sea water. जब salt sea water से obtain किया जाता है, at that time this process importance will be very much, because उस time हमें salty water से salt को by evaporation process, the salt which we are getting, that is in very small size, right? The crystals which we are getting of salt, that will be very small in size. And if we want the large crystals and pure substance, we need the process that is named by crystallization. Okay, so crystallization again is a physical change. Okay, why it is a physical change? Because by this process we are getting liquid to solid. Again its state will be only change. That means solid में से वापस से वो liquid form और small crystals के form में convert किया जा सकता है, और liquid से वापस से वो solid form में जो convert कर रहे हैं, मतलब sea water में से हमें solid form में जो crystals get कर रहे हैं, that means only state will be changed. So here we can say this is a physical change. This is example of physical change. Next, ozone layer. Ozone layer again is a chemical change. Why it is chemical change? Because this is the layer that present in stratosphere, that is in our environment. And what work this layer? This layer protect us from harmful effect of ultraviolet radiation. ओके, कमिंग फ्रॉम द सन से जो अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन जो वेरी मच हार्मफुल रेज हैं, उनसे हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है. कैसे? ओजोन एक्ट एज अ नेचुरल शील्ड. ozone act as a natural shield against ultraviolet radiation. So such type of, it means ozone is nothing, right? What is ozone? Ozone is O3. It is nothing, it is only O3. So ozone layer का क्या काम है? This layer this layer protect us from radiation which coming from the sun. Okay, so ozone layer हमें इसको हम किस में चेंज करता है? जो अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज आ रही है उसको टर्न करता है ऑक्सीजन में, इसको चेंज कर लेता है ऑक्सीजन में. सो सच टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस अगेन हियर केमिकल चेंज. ओके, मीन्स वापस से जो ऑक्सीजन हमें गेट हुआ ओजोन लेयर के थ्रू, वो ऑक्सीजन अब वापस से अल्ट्रा रेडिएशन रेज में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो सकती. वी गेट न्यू सब्सटेंस लाइक oxygen. Okay, so such type of change is chemical change. Next topic, that is stainless steel. So what is stainless steel? Stainless steel is made by, it is a product of iron, right? It is a product of iron and it is made by mixing with carbon and chromium, nickel and manganese. Okay, by combining all these chemicals we are getting the new substance that is called stainless steel. It does not rust. What is the quality of stainless steel? It does not rust. Okay, so till here we have completed almost topic of this chapter. Hope so you all have understood the topic. If you have any query, you can ask by comment box or you can ask by contact me. So till that, take care. Goodbye.